everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can create a beautiful multicolor fishbone pattern. Let's get started. To begin, I've just gone ahead and attached 7 cords to my dowel rod with lark's head knots. Now the way I position my colors is that they are a mirror image of each other on opposite sides, with a standalone color in the middle. To begin, I'm going to take these center cords and I'm going to tie a square knot around the 2 cords in the center. Then I take the next 2 cords, they come in front, and they're going to tie around that center cord once again with a square knot. Drop those cords, take your next 2 cords, bring them in front, and again tie them around the center cord with a square knot. Keep repeating this process until you have used up all your cords. Just like that. And now you have tied a multicolored fishbone pattern. You can of course make this bigger by just adding more ropes alongside your project. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.